Welcome back. Now news from sports. Santosh Harijan is right now a big challenger to Commonwealth Games gold medalist Suranjay Singh in the 52 kg category. Santosh has just lost out to the Manipuri in the selections for the training camp in France ahead of the upcoming World Championships in Baku. The healthy competition in the Indian boxing ranks is a great sign for the future of this sport in the country.
Santosh is now fighting hard to become the #1 in the 52 kg category by catching up with Suranjay.
इंडियन टीमीन बरेच कॉम्पिटिशन आसा आणि तुझे 52 kg कॅटेगरीन सुरंजय सिंग आसा तो एक नावाजलेलो बॉक्सर आसा इंडियेचो. कॉम्पिटिशन खूप टफ असता सो तू तुझ्या कॉम्पिटिटरा मुखार फुडें एक एक्स्ट्रा कितें तरी एज घेवपा खातीर कितें तुका करचें पडटा. तुझ्या कॉम्पिटिटरांक तू मारून तुझ्या टिमीन सदांच रावपा खातीर कितें इम्प्रूवमेंट
म्हणजे त्यांची गेम कॅच करपा पडटली म्हाका. तेंच्यांनी कय खेळटा त्याच्यावर म्हाका प्रॅक्टीस करपा पडटली. तेंच्याकडे कित्याक म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी म्हाज्या हांव सेकंड आतां म्हणजे इंडियन पोजिशनान हांव सेकंड रँकान आहा. तर हांव म्हणटा कितें फर्स्ट कित्याक जायना तेच्या बद्दल चिंतून म्हणजे तेजी गेम कशी कॅच करपाची म्हणजे तें पळोवपाचें मागीर तेच्या पर्यंत मागीर तेच्या अगेन्स्ट को खेळपाचो ते प्रॅक्टीस चालू आहा म्हाजी. कमी म्हणजे हय ते म्हणजे म्हाज्यान मातशी स्पीड आहा तेका. हय पंचा म्हणजे तेजे कॉम्बिनेशन येता माझे. हय कॉम्बिनेशन पंचेस माझे कॉम्बिनेशन येता पण म्हणजे कमी येता.
Meanwhile, Santosh feels the newcomers in boxing are well motivated nowadays.
चेंजीस पळयला तुवें इन द सीन भुरगे खूब बी दिसता तुका
हांगा मातशें इम्प्रूवमेंट दिसता कितें म्हणजे आमचे बॉक्सिंगाक मातशें इम्प्रूवमेंट बी जालां. ऑलिंपिकाक मेडल येयलो म्हणजे येयले पयसो आतां म्हणजे कितें तुमकां म्हणजे कितें स्पॉन्सर बिन्सर मेळूंक शकता भुरग्यांचें कितें मोटिवेशन जावंक शकता.
गोंयांत कितें तुका भुरगे बी चड दिसता बरें टॅलंट दिसता.
हां टॅलंट दिसता भुरगे खुबशे अशे आहा कितें अचीव करूंक शकता ते भुरगे. मागीर तांकां म्हाजें हें आहा कितें तेंच्यांनी आनी म्हाज्यान फुडें पावचें अशें हांव फुडें तांकां हें करता.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Fallari.
Arjuna Awadi Brahmanand Sankwalkar has given a call to Goa's former players and stalwarts in the field of football to come and support the reconstruction of the Bandodkar Stadium in Panji. The former Indian goalkeeper feels the government should expedite the pending file and go ahead with the work. More so, this being the Bahusaheb Bandodkar's birth centenary year.
Bahusaheb Bandodkar would come to the Gymkhana ground and corresponding football stadium to play cricket and football. Brahmanand Sankwalkar told Prudent Bahu would even visit the football stadium during assembly days to play a little football after these sessions.
I want that government should think very seriously on this issue. Whatever may have happened in the past or what's going on now in their thoughts, the ground should be respectfully rebuilt and handed over back to the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs. Let's give respect to the person who was responsible, I can say, to keep the whole space here for the sports and the ages back. That was Bahusaheb Bandodkar. And when I was playing for Panvel, I know as a person, Bahusaheb Bandodkar, personally, I may be a small boy, I may be just in the college pass out, school pass out and into the college. Those were the days he was showing so much of interest when I was playing for Panvel Sports Club. I saw him personally himself coming to the ground here, taking kicks. While in the assembly, he may have to take a break, and I saw all this. So interest of it. Moreover, what I'm trying to say is, let us not take it into any other thing. Let us give back to the ground for the kids of the area here. And some of the exhibition matches, not to very high standards, can also be held here with some of the national clubs coming down to go playing practice matches or the international clubs or something. I don't say the top level ones. Maybe the youth teams from abroad comes and plays with the youth teams of Goa or maybe India. It's okay. I think it's fair enough to have 5,000 to 7,000 capacity ground for you.
Brahmanand feels a stadium in the city would cause traffic congestion, but for no more than 10 to 15 minutes after the match concludes. From Panji, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Sarvajanik Ganesh idols were immersed on Sunday. Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav continues up to Ananta Chaturdashi, that is 11 days after Chavat. Not just Mumbai and Pune, in London too Indians had long processions during Sarvajanik Ganesh immersion. Have a look at the grand Ganesh Visarjan from Pune, Mumbai and London too. With this we come to an end of this bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना है, आना ही होगा। तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना है, आना ही होगा। देखेंगी तेरी राहें प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें, तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा, लौट के तुझको आना है, सुन ले कहता दीवाना है, जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है।